Hello everyone, my name is Diana Cuellar. In this video I will tell you about the consonant sounds. Well, to start, we have in English two types of consonant sounds. Unvoiced consonants and voiced consonants. Unvoiced consonants, there are the words that sounds without vibration in our throat. And voiced consonant sounds is where you need the vibration in our throat. Well, we first with unvoiced consonants. To start, I will tell you how the sound is pronounced and then I explain and some example for each one. Okay? To start. P, t, ch, k, s, sh. Then the examples. Parrot, flower, snake, mat, cake, try, shower, cheese. Then we continue with unvoiced consonants. Well, to start, we have b, d, j, g, z, j, n, n, h, l, r, w, j. Well, now the examples. Back, travel, zebra, mother, result, nose, leg, monkey, waist, going, girl, dog, television, jazz, year, and house. Then thank you for watching this all for this video.